Welcome back, guys. We're here in Shawnee, Oklahoma for day one of actual competition. We're bowling 8 games, 5 p.m. And my #1 goal of this entire block is to just stay a little more committed and throw a couple more good shots every game. I'm looking for about 9 or 10 really good shots every game. I got a couple different good game plans. We'll let that play out and see what happens, whether it's urethane or reactive. I got good options at both. So hopefully I make some good decisions and really use that #1 word of the day, commitment. Let's get to bowling. I think it's about time to put the strong balls away, take out the weak ones, sling it to the left. Minus the sling it to the left part. Hard and straight. bust. Next 3 games, here we go. Well, I thought I had some pretty good game plans going in. That GB4 was probably my best look, along with that urethane later, but I just never really found the consistent ball reaction that I was looking for throughout the block. So going into tomorrow, I drilled a defender, a knockout bruiser, both with 2-inch pins, because that Hellraiser return looked pretty good. The GB4 looked pretty good, both with really short pins, which is going to make my ball really smooth on the lane. And I think going with a bigger ball like a defender where it's going to hook more overall will help me start out a little better, and a knockout bruiser will help me figure it out late where I had to go back to urethane, try and trick it, and that just really didn't work out for me. So I got some good game plans going into tomorrow. Again, I'm gonna try and ruin my urethane ball tomorrow with some surface to hopefully get a little more hook out of it, because I thought it was just I thought it made the right shape down lane. It just wasn't enough shape overall. So a little more surface might bring that ball to the right spot in my bag. But tomorrow, more commitment again. Did well on that today. Positive attitude the whole time, and really just try and piece together a good block, because I haven't really put together, you know, a solid block start to finish really the whole year. I've had spotlights here and there, but really haven't put together a good block all year. So hopefully tomorrow is the start of something new. So if you guys want to cheer me on and root for me, I would just give this video a like and maybe cry in the comments like I'm crying right now. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and until then, peace.